Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. We are showing you this elegant modern design house and lot for sale located here in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Let's go. This property is priced at 28.5 million pesos. It has a lot area of 261 square meters, floor area of 393 square meters. It has 2 carport, living, dining, and show kitchen, guest room, 3 bedrooms, maid's room, service area, family area, landscaping, centralized hot and cold water system, fully air-conditioned, automated gate, and so much more. So as we can see, the facade of the house, very modern design with the touch of stone, metal, and glass details. This is your automated gate for your 2 carport. Very nice. And by the way, these gates are solid, heavy siya. Then we have this what we call gabion stones. Gabion stone detail in the front of the house. Okay. Then from the street level, you step up. Very nice detailing sa ating entryway. You have also this heavy, solid pedestrian gate. And as we enter, you have 2 pocket gardens here, one on my left and my right. You have this very nice, in a way, parang porch. As you enter, may space ka pa rito, and then your main entrance. But before that, I'd like to show you the 2-car carport. Na napakaganda because, number 1, tiled yung ating flooring, and meron tayong textured walls dito sa sides natin. And dito naman, tiled ang wall natin. You have your outlets right there. You have your water supply, or water faucet rather, right there. And this way leads to your service area. Pakita rin natin kasi maganda because meron siyang mga steps going to the service area. Okay? Let's head back to the main door. Sobrang laki ng door, guys. No, this is a solid wood na door with a very nice handle, by the way. And of course, your Philips electronic lock. As we enter, makikita natin the flooring. Very nice choice of tiling. Very classy lang yung design niya. And of course, yung ceiling natin, meron siyang wooden design naman. Okay? Palibot ng house, makikita natin floor-to-ceiling windows. Okay? This part is solid glass. Then this one is what we call the modern jalousie. So you can open it sa mga malalamig na panahon, di ba? Pwedeng i-open na lang to so that the fresh air can go in and out of the house. Okay? Another big floor-to-ceiling window. Plus, guys, we have this indoor garden. Diba? It's not every day we see a house that has an indoor garden na napakaganda rin ng pagkaka-execute. You have stones, and of course, your yucca is right there. On this side, this will be your console for your TV. Aircon is included. Living area is here. May ceiling fan din. So, in the case of bukas yung mga bintana natin, may ceiling fan tayo for circulation. Then, as we walk right here, nandito yung stairs going to the second floor. Plus, this will be your dining area. Dining table will go beneath this very beautifully designed fixture. Sliding doors dito, guys, if you want to have an parang indoor-outdoor feel. Very nice. And by the way, our CCTVs are also included and installed already. Air conditioning and napakagandang kitchen. Kanina nag-shoot kami ng first look and talagang wow itong kitchen na to. We have this beautiful marble countertop right here with, of course, storage underneath. Pwede pa tayo maglagay dito ng mga bar stools. May outlet tayo sa gilid if you want to use it for, work from home or study. Pwede rin yan. Two-door refrigerator. This is your provision for that. Tons of storage for your groceries and all. Ang ganda rin ng detalye nitong storage sa taas where you can see the inside kasi glass ang kanyang door, no? Plus here, lighted din to. This can be the place for your coffee machine or ano pa bang pwedeng ilagay dito, your microwave and so on. Very high-tech na sink. Can you try? Wala pa. Pero high-tech siya guys, oh. Dipindot lang siya. Then, alam niyo yung sa Starbucks, pag naglilinis ng mga baso, meron siya dito. Very nice. Yung ipipress mo lang ganyan. Tapos, here is your range and range hood. Of course, more storage and big sliding door. This area is your daily kitchen. Guys, you have your, of course, stove right here, sink, di ba? And mind you guys, kahit daily kitchen siya, mukha siyang formal kitchen kasi sobrang ganda ng design. Ang ganda rin itong blue tiles sa backsplash niya. Very nice. This area right here is your pantry. O, di ba? You have a lot of space for your groceries. Di ba? Ayan, meron pa tayong mga pull-outs dito. Soft closing, of course. Sobrang ganda. Lalabas na ba tayo? Sige, labas na muna tayo. Okay. So, dito yung way going to your carport. And this right here will be your laundry area. So, you have provision for your water and your electricity here, for your washer and dryer. You have another sink right here. And another provision for your washer and dryer right here. And kung makikita nyo guys, I don't know if you can hear it, yung wind. Sobrang presko, di ba? This is your breaker. Okay, let's close it up. And of course, your staff room is right here. Very good size. And they have their own toilet and bath. Very nice. Ayan. Guys, CCTV hanggang labas. So, very secured. Secured sa division na siya, pero for additional security, syempre. And point out ko na rin itong para siyang riprap design. Yung parang nakikita mo sa Baguio City. Di ba yung mga ganitong stone design? Sa wall, you have a garden. And from this view, from this angle, tingnan natin yung side ng house. Kasi di ba, it's not, hindi palaging napapaganda yung gilid ng house. Kasi laging plain lang siya. Pero dito guys, makikita mo, ang ganda. Okay? Let's head back in. So on the ground floor, you have a guest room or a bedroom number 1 right here para, kumbaga, for multi-purpose use. Pwede itong, yun nga, guest room, pwedeng bedroom, pwedeng elderly room, or pwede ring office. Diba? You have a very good amount of space right here. Big windows. This is your closet. And of course, you have a desk or a vanity right here. Meron na rin siyang air conditioning, guys. Okay? And this is your toilet and bath. You have a high-tech shower right here. Meron siyang nozzles for siguro sa body ito. Diba? Ayaw kong pindutin, baka mabasa tayo. Ang ganda rin ng details sa kanyang walls. And yung flooring, guys, talagang social sa tingnan. Social yung choices na ginamit sa bahay na to. Even the wall, guys, so tingnan mo naman, meron siyang parang wood panels na design. Okay, so let's now go to the second floor. This is your stairs going up. You have a solid wooden steps right here. Maganda rin tong may heft din tong handle natin. Solid. And of course, glass siya. Upon landing, isa sa pinakamagagandang views dito, itong chandelier na to, overlooking your indoor garden. Imagine that, guys. Diba? Now, let's now go muna sa ating family area behind the camera. Ayan. We have a family area on the second floor. Once again, floor-to-ceiling windows. You have open shelves right here. Your console for your television is here. Textured wall. Once again, kapareho nung nasa garahe. And of course, you have a big sliding door right here para sa inyong balcony. Ito yung front naman ng house natin. Ang ganda ng integration ng stone, ng glass, at ng metal. Okay. Now, this door right here is your first bedroom sa second floor. So, very nice space. Floor to ceiling na sliding door leading to your own balcony. Na presko din. Yan, pwede kayong may chair dito where you can read or drink your coffee. Ang ganda. Plus this one overlooks naman yung side ng house natin going to your service area. Very nice. Balik tayo sa loob. Okay, by the way, yan, air conditioning din. We have a lot of outlets, di ba? I suppose the bed will go right here kasi dito yung mga... Or pwede rin dito pala. Pwede rin dito yung bed. Tapos yung TV ang nandyan. Okay? Now, this is your closet space. Open shelvings, pull-outs, and of course, your racks for your outfits, no? And your very nice toilet and bath. Similar shower. Ayan, mayroon tayong nozzles for the body. Shampoo niche. Ito guys, so hindi pinabayaan, no? Kasi shampoo niche siya, pero detailed pa rin yung kanyang parang backsplash. Diba? Amazing. Hallway going to your second bedroom on the second floor. So this one is also nice. The bed will go right here. You have a lot of space to move around. Then big window for natural light and ventilation. Air conditioning is installed. Closet space with open shelvings, racks, and pull-outs for your outfits, and another nice toilet and bath with shower, toilet, and sink. Now, I'm so excited to show you the master bedroom. Let's go. Okay, the master bedroom. Imagine guys, so big wooden door with electronic lock. Upon entry, meron tayo ditong space if you want to put your keys, di ba? Yung mga gamit mo before you leave or when you arrive sa house. Your bed will go right here. Kasya dito kahit king, California king, malawak. You have a ton of space to move around. Big windows. And guys, pag inopen to, sobrang presko. Dito yung pwede yung television, di ba? And it has its own. Can you comment down below kung anong tawag dito? Balcony siya, pero indoor. Overlooking your indoor garden also. Very nice. Pwede ka pa may chair dito. May outlet dito pwede habang nag-charge ka ng phone, you read your book or whatever dito sa space na to. Now, ito yung pinaka-wow factor for me kanina nung aming first look is the walk-in closet. Imagine guys, dito ka nagpe-prepare for your day, di ba? You have open shelvings na lighted, by the way. Racks. You have this glass shelves dito with glass door para, for example, yung mga bags mo or accessories dyan. And other side is similar. Pwede itong his and her or pwedeng her and her. Depende. Okay? Kasi mas marami daw gamit si her. So, baka isang side dito for his. Now, this is your master bathroom. Pagpasok mo guys, makikita mo agad kung gaano kalaki yung space for your shower. Imagine, oh. High ceiling, rainfall shower with nozzles then for your body. Very nice. And of course, enclosed siya. Diba? Dual vanity sink. You have his and her. Storage under the sink. Very nice. Big window. And of course, my favorite, come on, is your Japanese style toilet. How nice, no? Try natin. Very nice, no? With seating sensor. Ang galing. Diba? Super ganda this house. Now let's go downstairs for the recap. This property is priced at 28.5 million pesos. It has a lot area of 261 square meters, floor area of 393 square meters. It has 2 carport, living, dining, and show kitchen, guest room, 3 bedrooms, maid's room, service area, family area, landscaping, centralized hot and cold water system, fully air-conditioned, automated gate, and so much more.